Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to switch accounts on Plex application using your mobile device. Switching accounts in Plex lets you access different libraries, subscriptions, or profiles without logging out permanently. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your smartphone and from the home page of Plex, logged into your account. After logged into your account, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from the bottom of the screen, click on Switch Profile. Now click on Add User on the next page and then enter a name in the text box. Once you do that, if you've got any restrictions that you'd like to make for children's, then click on the restrictions button at the top and then select if you want to restrict the contents for your little kid, older kid, or teen. If you don't want to restrict, then you can make sure that you select none and then click on Create Managed Account at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a new user to your account. If you want to switch into the user, then you can tap on another user and there you have successfully switched account on Plex. You can switch between the accounts again by tapping the profile icon at the top right and click on Switch Profile and select the next profile you'd like to change to. So there you have it. That is how you can switch between different Plex accounts using your mobile devices. Now you can access that account's libraries, watchlist, and settings seamlessly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.